Okay, so today I've got a Master number 40 disc lock that I just picked up from the store 2 days ago. I still haven't opened it because I wanted to do a quick video to see what my time is for opening a new in-package lock. So let's go ahead and begin. So function check, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. Master number 40. Make sure that shackle reseated. So it appears the lock does work. The key doesn't like going into the keyway though. And double check that shackle. So we're good on that. Alright, so let's get to opening it. This core feels a little different than the other disc locks I have. Not nearly as mushy. Oh, must have been open for quite a bit. Disc locks don't like to open for me, so let's see if it's still cocked and locked. Try that again. See if I can get a more oh, I put my pick in and it was open. So let's just bounce pressure, see if it opens that way. No, so I am picking it. I'm not detecting any security pins, but these disc locks, they don't like to open under normal tension, so you gotta bounce every now and again to see whether you're open or not. There we go. So yeah, that's new in box. I have no prior knowledge of this lock, and really that's about it. Let's see if I can get it open one more time before I go ahead and cut. Yep. So not very difficult. New in box. That's Master Security's tough under fire security for you. All right. Thank you.